Ramadan Mubarak. Welcome to Ramadan Tips with Moodi. Sitting down whilst eating is the way to do it. It's the way the Prophet ﷺ asked us to eat. Now when you're sitting down and you're having your food, the brain is analysing what you are consuming, what the ingredients of that mouthful are, and then sending those messages to the stomach to release the necessary acids and enzymes in the right quantity to break down said food. And that entire process takes approximately 7 seconds. Now if you stand up, that speed is not 7 seconds anymore. The food will often land in the stomach before the brain has had a chance to communicate with the stomach, causing indigestion, bloating, gastrointestinal distress. And a lot of specialists say, gastroenterologists say, that it has led to a lot of our intolerances. Eating with your hands is another thing that the Prophet ﷺ encouraged, and it's a great thing to do and get into the habit of. The flora on your fingertips, subhanAllah, when you touch the food, activate the nutrients in the food and make it easier to digest, so you're absorbing more nutrition from the food that you eat. Follow the way of the Prophet ﷺ, eat with your hands while sitting down, and inshallah you will reap the rewards.